Connecting to SQL Server instance. Step 1. Connect to the machine through IP or the host name through MSTSC. Step 2. Click on the SQL Server Management Studio, that is SSMS. Step 3. Enter the server or the instance name to connect to the database engine and click Connect. In this window, the upper window, we have to write the server name, whichever we want to connect, and select the authentication. If you are using the Windows authentication, then we have to specify the Windows, or else if you are using the SQL Server authentication, then we have to select the Windows or SQL Server. And if you are selecting the SQL Server, then we have to provide the username and the credentials of that particular user ID and click on the connect. Once we are connected, then we have to after connecting, we have to click on the new query, and now we have to type the below query in the query window saying select star from sys.sys databases, and then the query will be click on the execute to run the query. The output of the query is shown in the below screenshot. It shows then the system databases list whichever are in that particular instance. Now if you want to connect to the instance from the Windows machine by installing only the SSMS Studio, that is the SQL Server Management Studio, on the laptop, we can directly connect to the particular SQL Server instance with the AD login. For that, we have to open the SQL Server Management Studio, then pass the parameters in the server, pass the user and pass the server name, and with that we have to give the port number and select the authentication as Windows authentication and just click on connect. In the above screen we have to enter the server name, that is instance name, like bpt camport.fx.com, 1435. Here the 1435 denotes the port number which we have to specify. Without specifying this port number, we cannot connect to the instance. Now we have to select the authentication as Windows authentication, and username will be directly taken as the AD which you have logged into the Windows machine, and click on the connect to connect to the instance. Thank you.